The better we can serve the customer, the more we'll be able to compete in today's uncertain world. In our attempts to boost quality while simultaneously shortening lead times and cutting costs, it's important to have the right standards in place to ensure that our efforts toward running a lean business don't see a little progress in some areas and then slide back to the way things were. We need standards in place to ensure we use the right amounts of resources in the right ways to satisfy customer needs in the best possible way. But where do these standards come from? In the past, a team of managers might have written up documents and force-fed them to employees, but now we know better. We understand that the ideas for improvement and for standardization have to come from the people who do the actual work. Nothing else teaches this concept and the way to go about it like GBMP's Standardized Work Pegboard game. This 30-minute video is narrated by GBMP President and Shingo Prize recipient Bruce Hamilton and by GBMP COO and trainer Pat Wardwell.
This simulation will show you the power and value of standardized work. Standardized work is the best way we know today to ensure repeatable, predictable outcomes when we do our jobs.
Aimed at employees and managers, and also a useful tool for trainers, the video teaches the principles of standardized work in a hands-on, learn-by-doing way. The video introduces a simple task, loading a pegboard with a certain number of pegs. First, one employee and then another completes this work, and the viewer is challenged to note the differences in both of their methods, in terms of both time and technique.
Did you see any of the 7 wastes? Did you see wasted motion? Did you see transportation? And what about workplace organization? Did you notice anything about the sequence of the work? How about the parts? Were the operators reorienting things? Do the bags add value? How many hands were they using?
The employees in the video then have a discussion about the work, and they come up with ideas for improvement.
I think probably we want to move everything right to the workplace. The idea behind, maybe it's part of workplace organization, is have all the tools that you need and materials you need right where you're going to do the work. So if we can have our board already out, that probably will save us some time. We don't have to de-trash. We have all the pegs out. We don't have to worry about taking them out as well.
I mean, if you get 2 hands, you go this direction, you have 7 holes. So there's no way we'd be able to satisfy the 7 holes with 2 hands.
Okay,
if you count this way, we have 6. So I'd probably orientate the board this way, and then we could basically start in the middle, move out, and work it towards you so you're not
in our way. Don't work from here going this way.
Because then you'll have to reach over.
Once they agree upon the best method, they both do the job again, this time coming out with much better, faster, and similar, repeatable results. Together, they discuss and agree on inventory requirements, workplace organization, tack time, work sequence, ergonomics, and other key concerns. The simulation is both educational and abstract, taking the concepts out of the factory or office and putting them into an area where any employee can learn and understand.
This would work the same in the office, too. For example, orders get entered every day by different people. Do they do it the same? Receivables get posted over and over again. Purchase orders get placed. We prepare for trade shows, and so on.
Throughout the video, Bruce challenges the viewer to stop, to come up with their own ideas for standardizing the process, and to relate the simulation to their own job.
So now it's time for you to look into your process. What needs to be standardized, and how can you use this concept to make things better for the customer, your employees, and your business?
Chock full of valuable hands-on learning, this video will get you and your employees to think carefully about the process, the inventory, and other concerns in meeting your customer requirements in the best possible way. You'll be challenged to find the best method and stick with it until a better way is discovered. So give your lean journey a needed kickstart and win the buy-in of your employees now with GBMP's Standardized Work Pegboard Game Video.